If you're looking for innovative ways to make money from the comfort of your own home, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products is a fantastic way to capitalize on the demand for valuable information and resources in today's digital age. Whether you're an expert in fitness, personal development, cooking, or any other niche, you can package your knowledge into digital products and sell them online. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Podia allow you to easily create and sell your digital products to a global audience. This way, you can leverage your skills and passion to generate a scalable income stream from the comfort of your home. To be successful in this method, it's crucial to identify a target audience and create high-quality content that solves their problems or fulfills their needs. You can promote your digital products through social media, email marketing, or collaborations with influencers in your niche. With dedication and strategic marketing, creating and selling digital products can be a lucrative venture. Social media management. With the continued growth of social media platforms, businesses are constantly looking for experts to manage their online presence. If you're skilled at creating engaging content, growing an audience, and managing social media campaigns, you can offer your services as a social media manager. This allows you to work remotely with clients from various industries, helping them build their brand, increase their online visibility, and engage with their target audience effectively. Platforms like LinkedIn and Upwork are great places to find social media management opportunities. YouTube automation. YouTube automation is another exciting method to make money from home. With the rise of YouTube as a content consumption platform, there's an increasing demand for YouTube channels that consistently provide valuable content. If you have a passion for a particular niche and are willing to put in the initial effort, you can create a YouTube channel and automate its growth. Once your YouTube channel gains traction and meets certain requirements, you can monetize it through various means, such as Google AdSense, sponsored content, brand partnerships, merchandise sales, or even creating your own digital product. It's important to focus on providing value to your audience, creating engaging content, and continuously learning and adapting to YouTube's algorithm change. Freelancing. Freelancing is a versatile and flexible way to make money from home. With the rise of remote work opportunities, freelancers can offer their services to clients from around the world. Depending on your skills and expertise, you can find freelancing opportunities in various fields, such as writing, graphic design, web development, translation, virtual assistance, and more. To get started as a freelancer, you can join freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for their specific skills. As a freelancer, you'll have the freedom to choose your projects, set your rates, and work according to your own schedule. E-commerce. Commerce has exploded in recent years, and it offers a myriad of opportunities to make money from home. Whether you're interested in selling physical products or starting a dropshipping business, e-commerce provides a platform to reach a global customer base. You can create your own online store using platforms like Shopify or Etsy, or even leverage existing marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. To succeed in e-commerce, it's important to identify a profitable niche, source high-quality products, and provide exceptional customer service. Building a strong brand, optimizing your product listings, and implementing effective marketing strategies will help you stand out in a competitive market. With dedication, perseverance, and a customer-centric approach, e-commerce can be a highly profitable venture from the comfort of your own home. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.